Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Fossabot. First, head to the Fossabot website and connect your Twitch account. You'll need to authorize the bot with the necessary permissions to interact with your chat. Once connected, you'll be directed to the main dashboard, which is your central hub for all configurations. This easy initial step gets you ready to customize your bot. Now, let's create some basic commands. From the dashboard, find the Commands section to add custom responses for your viewers. You can also set up timers to automatically post messages at regular intervals, like promoting your social media. Don't forget to configure some basic moderation rules to keep your chat friendly and safe. To enhance your bot, explore advanced features. Fossabot allows integration with various streaming tools, expanding its capabilities. Utilize variables within your commands to create dynamic and personalized responses, making your bot feel more interactive. You can also customize greetings and farewell messages, adding a unique touch to your stream's atmosphere. Before going live, thoroughly test all your new commands in your Twitch chat to ensure they work as expected. During your streams, monitor the bot's performance and how it interacts with your community. Don't hesitate to adjust settings as needed to optimize its functionality and provide the best experience for your viewers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.